Hello, good day, everyone. This is Karine from DVS Page Academy. We have very interesting topic for today. This is based not just based on my experience, but also based on the experiences of the VAs and freelancer that I met online. And it will serve as an inspiration to everyone, especially to those aspiring VAs and freelancer. So maybe you're wondering what makes VAs and freelancers successful in their career. Do you think this career is really for you? Or you just amazed how people earn more when they are working as a VA or freelancer? So I'm going to share to you the secrets why they reach their goal. So let's move to the next slide. So these are the topics or the points that I'm going to discuss, and I'll explain it one by one with some examples as well. All right. So first is they are risk taker. They want to try new things, even it takes them, do some opportunity, or they will go out on their comfort zone. So example, you're aiming to become a social media manager. You already got the opportunity to work as a social media manager, and you want to scale up to try some skills that is related to Facebook or social media. You can try to become an FB ad specialist. So social media manager, you just need to manage your client's social media. You just need to create engaging posts, add subscriber or followers. But on FB ads, you'd need to get sales and need to have high engagement. So FB ad is more result oriented, while social media is just more on task oriented. Okay, if you don't want to take risk and you just want to work as a data entry specialist or whatever easy job that you will get online, there are less chances that you will reach your goal. So you need to develop more skills as a VA or freelancer. So since I already mentioned the skills, you should have a love of learning new skills. So what does it mean? You should not be satisfied on whatever job or whatever easy job that you will get online. You should scale up. Like, let's say you already have an experience with social media, you can try SEO or digital marketing or whatever high paying job that are available online. So you should try to enroll to free or paid courses or just watch YouTube videos. But it really depends on you. Whatever you preferred is fine. And whatever learning style you have is fine. There are people who learn from someone, or there are people who learn just on their own. So you have to know what is your learning style before you try to learn new skills. Next, you should take rejection as a road for improvement. So what does it mean, or what example I can give to you? So let's say you already tried 20 interviews and you failed. Most of the people I know just want to interview, they didn't pass the interview, they just give up and just find another job. They will go back to corporate job, whatever job they have before, because they got a lot of rejection from VA jobs or freelancing job that they are applying for. So whatever rejection you experience, you should take it as a road for improvement. So let's say you attended to many interview, you just write whatever question they asked you and just write down and write the answer to it. So once they ask the same question, you will be able to answer it with confidence. Or let's say your previous client scam you or he didn't pay you, you will just said, I don't like to become a VA or freelancer because of that. So what you can do is you will know you need to know how to distinguish if you're talking to a scammer client or a legit client. I got scam actually when the first time to accept a cold calling job, and I didn't give up. I just take it as a challenge. And after a few weeks, I was able to get two clients. And then another week, another client. So I had three clients when I was started as a VA cold caller. Okay. Next naman is you're passionate to help your client. Hindi masama or it's not bad that you want to earn more. But if you are not passionate to help your client, there is less chance that you will earn more. You're just aiming to get your salary weekly or bi-weekly, and that's it. You have to provide a result. There are VAs that I met, or there are VA that work with me before. They just after with the income that they will get, and they don't care about helping their client. And this is very sad in my end since I'm the one who hired them and they are not giving their best shot to serve their client. They just after with the salary. I don't say it's na masamang magmahal ng pera, or I mean hangarin ng pera kasi kaya nga tayo nagtatrabaho because of the money, but we should look forward to help our client to grow their business and to make things easier for them. Okay, so next, you should work hard, or they are hard working. Most of the VAs and freelancers that I met online, they really work hard to reach their goal. They don't just watch Netflix after their job. They take another job or they get another client to earn more. They learn new skills to earn more. Because if you think VA and freelancing is an easy job, it's not. It's not an easy job. You need to work hard for you to reach your goal. If you will just lay down or just make it easy, there will be chances that you will miss a lot of opportunities. Goal oriented, you should set a goal. This is one of the things that I did why I became or why I reached what I have now. So when I started as a VA, my goal is I want to renovate my home or my house. I just let's say I started January, then at April, or not April but May, I was able to save money to renovate our house and buy whatever things I want to buy, or help my family or help your family. Just set a goal, because if you don't have a goal, there will be no direction. You will just taking job because you just want to have a salary for the sake of earning. But if you, let's say I want to become a VA, if I earn more, I will buy a new car, I will get a new house. So if you set a goal, for sure you will reach it and you can get more client or high paying job, then there will be more chances that you will get the goal that you are looking for or waiting for. Seeking help or mentoring. This is very important as well, especially when you start up. There are some people say, "Yeah, I don't need um to enroll to any course. I just learn on my own." Yeah, if you are a type of person who can learn on their own, I won't stop you doing it. But if you are a type of person who want a group of people or a person who can help you, I recommend you to seek a mentor or a coach. Or if you can afford to get a paid course, maybe you can just get a buddy or a friend online that has the same niche. Let's say you are a social media manager, you can find a VA that is also social media manager, and you can ask some question to him or to her, so you can make your job successful. Okay? So, kasi di ba, we don't have any office mate, we're just working at home. Sino makakausap natin? Our dog, our cat. So you have to find someone who can help you. Okay? So next, they are not spoon-feed. This is very true. So sabi niyo, kailangan ko palang mag-ano ng mentor, but sinabi mo nito, I should not do spoon-feed. Yes po, kasi hindi naman all the time your mentors or your coaches or your friends are available. Not everything you need, provide nila. So whatever, lalo na kung urgent. So let's say, kailangan mong ma-accomplish yung task na to and they're not available, you have to search the information sa internet or find ways to get things done. Okay? So, hindi laging nakapost, pwede po bang magtanong lang, no, paano po ito? Paano po yung ganyan? Para sa akin kasi yung iba, hindi nila gusto yung ganong post and parang tingin nila parang gusto mo spoon feed. Kailangan maghanap ka rin. Sabi nga ng iba, if you don't know how to make a research, there will be less chances that you will become successful in this industry. And it's true. Okay? So, huwag kayong mag-add sa akin. Di ako galit. Okay, so next is good working attitude. I met a lot of VAs and some freelancer. There are people or there are VAs or freelancers that are successful because they have a good working attitude. They value their job, they value their workmate, they value the effort of their clients, and they are not just after with what they earn. Again, hindi masamang maghangad na kumita ng malaki, pero if we don't have that thing, there are less chances that we will become successful. You have the skill set, but you don't have a good working attitude, wala rin. Masasayang din. So, I met some VAs that worked with me before. Unfortunately, even their experience, they don't have that and they terminated. We terminated them and ganun eh. Kasi sabi nga nila, pag may experience ka, malaki ang ulo. Sana wag po tayong ganun. If you already gain experience, kailangan humble pa rin tayo. We still have a good working attitude. Kasi if you do good, for sure, i-bless ka ni Lord. Okay? And lastly, they love to share their knowledge. They are not madamot. Let's say you have a friend who also wants to become a VA. Sinabi mo lang sa kanya, uy, gusto kong mag-VA. Hanap ka lang dyan sa Upwork, sa ano, tapos hindi ka na nag-reply. What I'm trying to say is to guide them, share your insight. Ay, ito yung ginawa ko, gumawa ko ng resume, tapos update ako ng LinkedIn, tapos ganito, ito yung pag-setup ng Upwork, o ito, panoorin mo tong video na to, it will help you. Or, hindi mo naman kailangang spoon feed. You just guide them. If they want spoon feed, siguro hindi sila dapat mag-VA or mag-freelancer. I-guide mo sila. Okay, kasi naniniwala ko, if you love to share whatever you have, dadagdagan niya ni Lord. Okay? So that's about it. Thank you so much. By the way, before I end this video, I just want to invite everyone to our free cold calling webinar or real estate cold calling webinar this September 11, 8 to 11 p.m. Manila time. Yung description and how to join, just check it on our Facebook page or our Facebook group, Work From Home Professional Philippines. And it has a free certificate. And also, kailangan matapos nyo yun. Kasi pag di nyo natapos yun, we will not process your certificate. but we also have paid course. It's just 1,000 pesos. One time lang po yun. Naka-promo siya until December 31st, 2021. It's a real estate marketing VA ultimate learning course. It has 8 hours pre-recorded videos, lifetime support, lifetime access, one-on-one coaching, on-the-job training, and group coaching and one-on-one coaching. For just 1,000 pesos, you will get all of these. So if you want to avail or if you have questions, just send a message to our Facebook page, DBSBH Academy. Okay, that's about it. Thank you so much and have a good one.